Hello everyone. In process equipment design, we are discussing in previous lecture the thickness example. We have to find or calculate the thickness of design pressure vessel and using stiffening ring and without stiffening ring. Now, in our today's lecture, we are next going to teach learn about the various types of head or cover, or we can say that closer design, which is are used in any pressure vessel. So there are the number of many types of head. Okay, so each and every head that have a specific uniqueness, where we are not using simplified pressure vessel. Okay, so we see each pressure vessel in detail. So various types of head or cover used in fabrication of equipment. Okay, there are the number of many head or cover used in fabrication of equipment. So in which first type is that uh, flat head or flat plate closure. That means अगर flat plate surface હોય, પહેલો type છે flat head, કે એની જે surface હોય છે એ કેવી હોય છે flat head. That means end જે હોય છે કેવો હોય છે flat, like that. Okay, we can see in this figure A, B, C, D and E. So in which this will be calculated the thickness, this will be diameter. Okay, and c square value is 0.162, similar to if my head is flat head and it having the like some radius. Okay, so at that type of flat head we can use this is the thickness for the cell and this is the diameter, and which having the c square value is 0.162. And second type is flat head के अंदर, third type के अंदर this one is our diameter, this one is r minimum. Okay, so that is r is equal to 3 times of t, and this one is thickness. C square की value 0.13. In fourth figure c square की value 0.25, this one is diameter and this one is thickness for flat head, and similar for this. So these are the different types of flathead and covers. Okay, so now we discuss about the flathead. So flathead or covers usually mainly atmospheric pressure. ખાસ યાદ રાખવાનું છે કે કયા પ્રેશર ડિવાઇસ પર આપણે કયું હેડ આપણે યુઝ કરીએ છીએ. સો ફ્લેટ હેડ મેઇનલી જ્યારે એટમોસ્ફેરિક પ્રેશર પર જ્યારે સર્વિસને ઓપરેટ કરવાની હોય છે ત્યારે આપણે મેઇનલી યુઝ કરીએ છીએ, or near to atmospheric pressure like a 0 kgf per centimeter square into gram service. That means pressure vessel is a flat surface in a pressure vessel which we are using in a atmospheric service only, near up to atmospheric services. In other words, flathead are selected in cases where internal design pressure and external design pressure both are close to zero. Second thing is that there are the internal design pressure and external design pressure are near about close to zero. Flathead can also be used for higher pressure services if the diameter of shell is very small. Jare it can be said that less than 0.3 meter. હવે in particular this condition કે જે flathead છે, these are the used for any pressure vessel, pressure design pressure like a high design pressure, but condition is that the diameter of shell is very small, like 0.3 meter, not more than 3 meter. But flat cover are often used as a cover or closure for the nozzle in the vessel. હવે શું કરવાનું હોય છે કે જે ફ્લેટ હેડ હોય છે એમાંથી નોઝલનું કનેક્શન કરવાનું હોય છે, બરાબર? તો એ જે નોઝલ છે that are connected with this flat nozzle in the vessel like manhole, hand hole are covered with the blind flanges, and mechanical design point of view blind flange and flathead are the same. That means કે જે નોઝલ છે એ શું કરે છે કે વેસલની અંદર લાઈક મેન હોલ લાઈક નાનકડો એવો હોલ જેવું હોય છે કે જેના દ્વારા આપણે મટીરિયલને ઇનલેટ અને આઉટલેટ કરાવી શકીએ, બરાબર. And these planes are connected or covered with blind flanges. Mechanical design point of view આ કેવા છે? બંને સરખા જ છે. When hydrocarbon liquid is having low pressure at a room temperature stored in vertical cylindrical vessel is normally covered with a flathead. This one is an example of a chemical storage like a hydrocarbon liquid which having a low pressure, okay, that means atmospheric pressure. So and it having the room temperature, so we are stored in a vertical cylindrical vessel, and vessel is normally covered with a flat head. For the same design pressure, thickness of a flat cover is several times higher than thickness of cell, and thickness of a flat head or cover blind flange is calculated by this equation. So this equation is calculated by this equation, like thickness જે છે flat hand ની, so using this equation. So equation is that TH is equal to CD under root P by F plus CA, where TH is the thickness of flathead cover including corrosion allowance. જ્યાં TH શું છે? thickness છે flat head ની, બરાબર, અથવા cover ની, અને including શું છે? corrosion allowance છે. D શું છે? diameter of portion of flat cover which is actually under operating pressure. એવો ડાયામીટર કે જે ડાયામીટર પર ફ્લેટ કવર જે છે એ કઈ કન્ડિશન પર છે? અંડર ઓપરેટિંગ કન્ડિશન પર છે. P is the internal design pressure or external design pressure, both we can using this. F is the allowable stress at design temperature. C is the edge flexibility constant, varies from 0.4 to 7 depending upon the type of attachment of flathead with shell. સી એજ ફિક્સિટી એટલે કે જે કોર્નર જે રહેલા છે, બરાબર, આપણે ફિગરની અંદર જોયા, બરાબર, ડિફરન્ટ ટાઈપના એજીસ છે. જેમ કે આની અંદર જે છે ફિગર 1 ની અંદર એ કેવું છે? એકદમ ફ્લેટ છે, બરાબર. સેકન્ડ 1 ની અંદર જે છે એ થોડી રેડિયસ નકલ અથવા ક્રાઉન રેડિયસની ટાઈપ આ રીતે કર્વ છે. થર્ડ ટાઈપની અંદર જુઓ કે આ જે છે એને કન્સિડર કરવામાં આવે છે એનો ડાયામીટર, અને એની ઉપર બીજા આ ટાઈપના અલગથી સરફેસીસ છે, બરાબર. તો એ શું છે? એજ ફિક્સિસિટી, એટલે કે જો આ ફિગરની અંદર જુઓ કે જે કર્વેચર છે ત્યાં આની થિકનેસ ખૂબ જ વધારે છે અને આ પાર્ટ ઉપર ખૂબ જ ઓછી છે, જ્યારે આ પાર્ટ પર પણ ખૂબ જ વધારે છે. સો એ જે છે સી ની વેલ્યુ એ શું છે? એજ ફિક્સિટી, બરાબર, કે એની વેલ્યુ કેટલી રાખવાની હોય છે. સો દેટ શુડ બી કન્સિડર ફ્રોમ 0.4 to 0.7 and that is depending upon the type of attachment of flathead with shell. Okay, next one is torus spherical head. હવે સેકન્ડ ટાઈપ આવે છે torus spherical head, કે generally first of all see the figure of torus spherical head. So here is the dimension relationship for torus spherical head. આ ટાઈપના હેડ જનરલી આપણે જોઈએ છે એની પ્રેશર વેસલની અંદર જે લિક્વિડ હોય છે એની અંદર આપણે જોઈએ છે. જેમ કે this type of pressure head is we are seeing in regular like a transportation vehicle of petroleum, any milk transportation unit, तो वो सब होते हैं उसके हेड हमने देखे, तो that should be in the form of torus spherical head. So let us see. Torus spherical head are recommended for use of internal design pressure up to 15 atmospheric pressure. So this is the main point of this torus spherical head, which is operated internal design, which is 15 atmospheric pressure. Okay, but in actual practice they are even used for higher pressure services. But more than 15 atmospheric pressure we are using torus spherical head because of these types of head are cheaper than elliptical or hemispherical head. Okay, in further next we are discussing about elliptical and hemispherical head. So compared to both this torus spherical head is very cheap and used maximum use of these types of head because this is very high pressure internal pressure, high design internal pressure, and we also used as a more than 15 atmospheric pressure. So these types of also known as a shadow dish head. Okay, this head is also known as a shallow dish head. Geometry point of view, torus spherical head can be divided into three parts: straight portion, corner portion, and crown portion. Okay, so first of all, we see the figure first. In this figure, that is outer diameter, then SF, OA, this one is thickness T, ID internal diameter, this one is A and C. All these parameter we discussing. So first, these types of head are converted or divided into three parts. That one is straight portion, corner portion, and crown portion. Okay, so this one is most important. We can see the small r, that is crown radius, in this figure, and this is always less than or equal to outer diameter of shell. In majority of cases, r small r is considered for rc and equal to di. That means r जो है small r, where it is this small r, that is small r. Okay, which is a consider as a what, that is considered as a, here is the r, and this one is considered as a less than outer diameter. जो outer diameter है उससे always वो कम होता है. दूसरी बात, in major cases के अंदर r equal to rc, small r is equal to rc, and then it equal to internal diameter. मतलब critical radius equal to શું લેવામાં આવે છે, internal diameter. Then new term, that is ICR, inside corner radius, that means knuckle radius. It is known as a knuckle radius, ICR. This part is known as a ICR, this portion only. Okay, ये जो सेफ्टी फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी को बाद करके जो पोर्शन मिल रहा है, ओके, तो वो पार्ट को क्या कहेंगे, नकल रेडियस. नकल रेडियस, that means one type of radius at which the thickness of that particular point is different. Okay, as per we show in above pictures, जहाँ पे फ्लैट हेड का जो थिकनेस है विच इज वेरी फ्रॉम डिफरेंट स्टाइल, अलग अलग टाइप से वो वेरी कर रहा था, तो उसी तरह यहाँ पे भी जो थिकनेस होगा कंपेयर टू द अदर पार्ट ऑफ द हेड which is different from the other part. So here it is known as the knuckle radius, and at the corner, ये जो पूरा knuckle radius बन रहा है, वहां पे जो कॉर्नर बन रहा है वहां पे हम इसे कहेंगे knuckle radius. It should be not be less than 6% of the inside diameter. જે આપણી knuckle radius છે, all this point of this theory you have to remember that, and this one is most important for the examination. जो ICR है, that means knuckle radius, it should not be less than 6% of the inside radius. जो inside radius है उससे 6% से कम नहीं होना चाहिए, बराबर. जैसे कि इसका 100 mm है तो इसका 6 mm से कम होना नहीं चाहिए. It should be more than 6%. It is normally taken as a 6% to 12% of the inside diameter of the shell or head. So you have to remember that in knuckle radius, how we can consider or calculate. So knuckle radius is calculated or considered based on the diameter of shell or head. So it is normally taken as a 6 to 12% of the inside diameter. Inside diameter की जो value है उसका 6 to 12% के बीच में से हम consider करते हैं. B is the depth of the dish not including straight portion. That means B, small b is the B. Okay, at that point it is the straight portion, जो ये वो portion है, that is small portion, and B is the depth of dish not including straight portion. मतलब डेप्थ ऑफ द डिस्क जो नकल हो रहा है नकल रेडियस वाला, तो वहां का जो पॉइंट है, ओके, दैट इज नॉट इंक्लूडिंग स्ट्रेट पोर्शन, उसके अंदर स्ट्रेट पोर्शन नहीं है. So how it can be calculated? B is equal to small r minus AC. Okay, small r minus AC means के inside diameter minus क्या करना है हमको, AC की वैल्यू, ये जो वैल्यू है उसे हम करना है यहां से इतना, बराबर. तो AB की वैल्यू तो क्या हो गई, ये AC एंड ये पार्ट है दैट इज B, बराबर. तो AC और स्मॉल आर की वैल्यू क्या हो गई, यहां से लेके C पॉइंट तक. तो B की वैल्यू हमें मिल जाएगी स्ट्रेट पोर्शन. तो ये जो B वैल्यू है, ओके, स्मॉल b, ये पोर्शन, ठीक है. सो दैट इज स्मॉल r इज इक्वल टू, दैट मीन्स स्मॉल r एज इट इज माइनस AC की जगह पे हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, बाय द AC की जगह पे हम लिख सकते हैं AB स्क्वायर माइनस BC स्क्वायर, ओके, बाय द ट्राइंगल लॉ, ओके. So that is BC square minus AB square, where AB is ID by 2 minus knuckle radius in and BC is R minus knuckle radius is equal to RC minus ICR. Then the other part we will discussing in next lecture. So at this point you have to remember each parameter and each point which is denoted by in this figure.